Hello everybody, in today's guide I will show you how to become a DHgate affiliate. What is the DHgate affiliate program? DHgate affiliate program is a platform for everyone who be a partner with us. Agencies, individual advertiser, marketing company, blogger, social influencer. As long as you have a way to spread, you have the chance to earn unlimited commissions and bonuses. So make money at home by moving your fingers to spread DHgate affiliate links. Isn't it easy? Share anytime, share any piece you like by using an affiliate link. Earn anytime, so you earn 3 to 60% commissions during the shopping. So the referral program, invite your friends to earn 3 till 60% and you get 30%. So to get started, you have just click here the button. I will also link this official this official site from DHgate for the affiliate program. So there is an endless opportunities for you. How does it work? You just have to register in DHgate affiliate program. Then you get an affiliate link to promote. Step 3, referral customers place orders and you get commissions. So to become a partner with them, you can click this orange button here, get started now, or any of those get started now links above. So when I click here, you can register with email and password. In my case, I will do with a Gmail. After you sign in as an affiliate, so you click enter workspace here. Then it says activate to be an affiliate. You have to click this one here and also read the agreement and then activate free. And voila, you just can give the here edit information about your media to track conversions. So where do you promote DHgate? So on YouTube, follower numbers 50,000 for example, media, I don't know, give something in there, check, and then you can just click save here. So, and this is the dashboard you can see here, and you can get links for different products here, like for example for this one you can to track info, you can choose here and just click generate and you will get a link here to share. You can see like this, only copy link and then you can share that link. That's basically how you become an DHgate affiliate, and here you will see all the recurring commissions you have. When you click on details, you can see everything. So basically, yeah, you now signed up, and you can also withdraw here by clicking this withdraw button later on, or you can click here the invitation link, and now you have an invitation link. For example, here I can paste it here. You see, this is the invitation link. When people sign up to your link, you get a commission from them, and that's basically how it works. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.